Finding over 7 acres this close to town is becoming harder every year, and this North Georgia property offers the space, privacy, and outdoor lifestyle that so many buyers are searching for. Set on 7+ beautiful acres, this property offers the perfect balance of peaceful country living and everyday convenience. Open spaces, mature trees, and attractive landscaping create a private setting where you can enjoy the outdoors without giving up quick access to shopping, dining, and everything the surrounding area has to offer. At the center of the property is a spacious 4-bedroom home designed with comfortable family living in mind. Inside, you'll find a welcoming floor plan that provides plenty of room to gather, relax, and entertain. The large living room serves as the heart of the home, while a separate dining area creates the perfect setting for family meals and holiday gatherings. An additional den offers flexible living space that can easily become a media room, playroom, or quiet place to unwind. The kitchen combines country charm with modern convenience, featuring granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, abundant cabinetry, and generous workspace for preparing everything from everyday meals to large family dinners. With 4 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and an additional half bath, the home provides plenty of room for family members and guests alike. Step outside, and the 7+ acres become the property's defining